Mention Kolhapur and there will hardly be anyone who does not think of chappals. The elegant Kolhapuri, worn by both ordinary people and royalty, is an inseparable part of this Maharashtra town's identity. Across the bustling town, thousands of families, including traditional artisans, raw material suppliers and traders, depend on Kolhapuri chappals for their livelihoods. Known for their durability and distinctive design, Kolhapuri chappals have long found buyers across India and beyond. But over the years, things have gradually become tougher for the industry. Rising raw material prices, increased production costs and competition from cheaper modern footwear have driven several small-scale manufacturers into bankruptcy. As the union budget nears, stakeholders are looking for tax breaks, greater financial support from the government, and training centers that can help bridge the gap between traditional know-how and modern marketing methods.
जो सोशल मीडिया पे अभी चल रहा है, सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू जो अपने प्राइसिंग कस्टमरिंग कैसे करने की है, इसका प्रशिक्षण केंद्र भी एक बजट में नमूद किया जाए तो भी अच्छा रहेगा। इससे वजह क्या होगा, बाहर के जो कस्टमर रहेंगे उनके लिए अपने को थोड़ा बहुत बेनिफिट रहेगा कि प्रशिक्षण रहेगा उन लोग को कैसे मीडिया थ्रू या इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, इसकी वजह से आप कैसे उनसे बातचीत करके या अपने प्रोडक्ट का कैसे सेल आउट बढ़ाएंगे, इसकी तो तरतूद होना इस बजट में जरूर होना चाहिए।
Months after a controversy over Prada's menswear collection featuring Kolhapuri-inspired footwear, the Italian luxury brand signed a memorandum of understanding with two government bodies in India last year. The Maharashtra and Karnataka-based bodies are responsible for promoting and developing the Indian leather industry and preserving the heritage of Kolhapuri chappals. This raised hopes among chappal artisans in Kolhapur, who now expect greater global attention and an increase in business. In addition to easier loans, artisans say the benefits of this collaboration must reach them directly.
अभी बजट जो निकलेगा उसमें हमारे जैसे कर्मचारियों को भी बजट कुछ तो मंजूर होना चाहिए, उसमें कर्ज की सहूलत बना होनी चाहिए। अभी प्राडा का जो अभी उसने कस्टर को कांटेक्ट दिया है, उन्होंने भी हमको देना चाहिए चप्पल बनाने के लिए कुछ, तो हम भी उसमें का व्यापार हो जाएगा हमारा उसमें।
With the union budget just days away, artisans in Kolhapur are urging the government to provide financial support and introduce inclusive schemes that help small producers compete in the global market.